Welcome to 2024 Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have our NFL chili, everybody. Crockpot chili. Yes. Okay, so what we do here. Okay, it's very simple and it's easy. We have our own ingredients right here, how we make our own chili seasoning ingredients. Okay, everybody, this is what you can put in the goody. Okay, we added in 4 cans of kidney beans, dark red kidney beans, everybody. 2 pounds of ground beef. We fried it up, okay, and we added the onion, okay, not the beans yet. You add the beans in a crock pot, okay. We added bell peppers. We added yellow and red bell peppers. You can add in green if you like. And we also have some cans of stewed tomatoes, okay, 24-ounce cans of 2 of those diced stewed tomatoes, okay. Now we're gonna put it all in the crock pot, everybody. Add the wonderful seasonings, stir it up. Let it cook on medium high for 5 hours, and here you go. Now, you can put it on high for 3 hours if you want, okay? But we like our beans nice and tender and everything tasting good. Now, some people say, oh, my God, you put beans in your chili. We don't put beans in our chili here. Well, whatever. Here at Granny's, we put beans in it because we wanted to fill up them bellies for the children and for the adults. Everybody be nice and full. Some cornbread, some white steamed rice. Everybody's good to go. Good to go. I'm telling you. Okay, that's how we do it here. Now, if you don't want to do it, that's fine. You can just do it without, and you can do it for like chili dogs and chili nachos and all that good old stuff. Whatever rocks and float your boat, that's how you do it. But we do it here with the beans, everybody. But look at that. Don't that look delicious? Oh, grandmother, that does look good. It smells so good. Well, yes, this is how we do it. Nice and hearty for the cold weather, and it's beautiful, and it's perfect for the Super Bowl that's going to be coming around next month, where we all ready to go. I'm telling you, we got some nice recipes that's coming soon, you guys. If you like what you see, go ahead and follow us on our YouTube channel for a lot more that's coming soon. And we also have our cookbooks ready on Amazon, Mama Soul Kitchen. Check it out. See y'all soon. Bye.